G'day guys, Scotty here from The Hook and the Cook and welcome back to our channel. Well, we're heading on a road trip today with my dad and Gary Brown and we're going down to Torino to fish the rocks for pigs. It should be a fantastic day. The weather's looking really nice. It may get a little windy later, but I think the spot we're going to fish should be really good. So I'm heading over to my dad's now to pick him up. Then we're heading down to Gary's, transfer into his car and then do the 2-hour drive down to Torino. So really looking forward to it. Should be a good day. Just arrived at Dad's. How you going?
Oh, hello, mate. Yeah.
Looking forward to a good day?
Looks like a super day, actually.
Got all your gear ready?
Yeah, all my gear. Life jacket, got everything, mate.
All right, no worries. All right, we'll get tied on and head down to Gary's, eh?
Yeah.
Well, we've just arrived at Gary's. Morning, Gary.
Hi, how you going?
How you going?
Good.
Looking forward to a good day?
Yeah, mate. Yeah, I am.
Bit of your old stomping ground, the Torino.
Yeah, where I used to live.
Yeah, you grew up down there.
Yes, grew up there.
So we should catch fish today then.
I hope so. Fingers crossed.
So this is looking out onto Blackhead now, in Torino. Lovely big rock platform. But the spot we're going to fish today, to start with anyway, is down in that gutter there. So that's our point. We're thinking with the wind from the northwest, it'll give us some protection down there and which should be pretty good. Pretty easy spot to get into this one. It's just parked up on top there. And 10-minute walk and you're down on the rock platform and walking around, so nice easy spot compared to some spots we've been to, Gary.
Yeah, yes, yeah, it is definitely compared to it. And you know, us little fellas with short legs, it's quite easy for us to walk across here.
Yes.
A few slippery rocks every now and then, but
No.
other than that, there's no bushes.
You just got to watch at high tide. It comes right through the centre there at high tide, and it does cut off the main headland from the shore. But the light swell today, so it's looking pretty safe. I think we're going to have a pretty good day. Hopefully we'll find a few fish. So Gary's down there now, just getting the burley organised. So all we're going to do today is plenty of bread and just keep a consistent flow going. As you can see, this is high quality bread Gary's got here for us today.
Kind of fresh.
Looks like green Vegemite. It'll work perfect, don't worry about that. And really good looking gutter. Pretty safe too, with that not a lot of swell. And as the tide rises around these boulders, it's going to be exciting. And the bread, as you can see, we're throwing a bit of test bread in there. And look at that, it's just staying right in the back of the gutter. And that's what you want. You want to make sure your bread holds. You don't want your bread washing out towards that headland over there, because that just takes the fish with it. This is the top end of the gutter we're fishing. Gary's just over on that ledge across there, and Dad's fishing up here nice and safe. How's it look?
Nice and safe.
Hey, nice and safe, nice and high.
Nice and high, nice and safe.
The bread's holding up well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at it sitting around in that gutter there.
Holding real good.
Yeah. And I think once that water starts getting up around these boulders,
yeah,
should be pretty good. You just got to watch the odd wave. Where Gary's standing over there. You can see the old one
Yeah,
standing up on that corner, so I think it'll be pretty good. Fingers crossed. Yeah, we're going to go back to the car, change locations, Gary,
Yes, mate. Yeah.
and head over to Boat Harbour.
over to Boat Harbour and see what happens.
Back
there.
in Gerringong.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we've fished this spot pretty hard for quite a while. Burled it pretty hard.
Delete 2 buckets of pearl.
Haven't got a result. Other than a couple of weedies and a parrotfish, I think we got it. All right, boys, we've just arrived at our second location. Boat Harbour. We're windy now from that southwest. But we're going to make our way over to a little set of rocks just over there and give that a bit of a go over there. How do you think we'll go, Gary? You
Very
fished
flat.
Fished here before, not a lot of wash.
Not a lot of wash. I fished actually standing over there where the bait board is.
Yep.
Where the clean tails are. But the swell's been up pretty big. But as you can see, there's no swell here. But might pick something over there with the burley.
Looks all right over there. We'll go and get a try, eh? Well, a super tough day fishing today. Dad got one earlier, Gary caught a nice scarlet wrasse, and that's my first fish for the day. And we're about to pull a pig. Anyway guys, tune in next week for another fantastic clip on the Hook and the Cook. You can subscribe to our channel, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and we'll see you guys on the water next week. Cheers!
To give a big thank you to all our sponsors for 2019.